Well, I messed up, guys. Today, I was planning on vlogging, and I brought the camera, but I forgot the memory card in the room. So, I'm gonna give you a little recap to open up the vlog. We had a fun day today. We played mini golf. It was the two of us, Mikey, of course, Kyle, K-Will, and an old San Jose State bowler. His name's Austin, though. Missed all of it. It was super exciting. It was 3v3 best ball. You're never gonna find out the results because I didn't bring the camera. But anyways, we bowled day 2, the Masters. Chris is currently the number. I had a pretty good day, made my way up to about, I'm just outside the number, I don't know how much. Mikey's about 20 and change out, so we all got a good pop at making this thing. All we gotta do is get in, so one more good day. I can't imagine the number's gonna go up, so if we can just put up some decent scores, some positive scores, we should be all right.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we'll catch you tomorrow for day 3 of qualifying. We bowl the afternoon block, and hopefully I don't forget the camera or the memory card.
I'll remind you.
Thanks. Good afternoon, everybody. We are on our way to our final block of Masters competition this year. We're all very close to the cut, if not in the cut. But we're a little too close.
Why you gotta single me out like that?
I'm just stating facts.
You gotta single me out like that.
You'll be in the cut after today.
Probably.
We'll all be in the cut. We'll qualify really close to each other, so we won't have to bowl each other. Yeah.
Unless you're like 32nd, 33rd.
I mean, if it happens, it happens, but the odds, I feel, are in our favor for it to not happen because it's happened already before. Yeah. So I've diverged from the guys to go to a secret location to pick up a special item that will hopefully help me bowl well today. Undisclosed locations. Got it. Secret item. Phase 2. I thought I had one. I've got like 20 balls here. Thought I had a phase 2 the entire time. Guess not. It's a good thing the PVA truck's here. This is gonna be the ball. These nicely spaced out workout tables. Get one all to myself. Let's go. The one. Bam. We're bringing all these out today. This guy was good yesterday. I think the Alpha, breaking the lanes down. We're gonna see what this idle can do for us as well. We'll bring out 7 today. 2 pitch blacks, just in case. Let's get it. Well, phase 2 came in clutch. We threw a lot of Brooklyns today. Got the plus 18, another plus 46 block, same as yesterday. Should be plenty. We get to play the waiting game. Should be soft though. We're thinking it's gonna go down maybe negative 30-ish or so. So I'm happy. We bowled good, finally made a cut. Let's go.
Why's that, Tim?
Your spare game needs to improve a little bit. Just a little.
Timmy's all about the camera.
Quite poor today.
Yeah, I honestly think that
Fairly pedestrian.
if you actually, I think you got to get under control in your spares a little more. I think you actually have to slow your speed down, your spares, and get under, just a little bit more under control.
I agree.
Maybe change your approach a little bit, how you shoot them, and then a little different backswing, maybe a little, maybe not so hard and fast and straight, and a little bit more under control. And I think you'll win a tournament here before the year's over. And then we'll go celebrate.
I would lay in front of the head
with ginseng and JP with some gogi juseo.
Gogi juseo! Gogi, gogi, gogi!
Gogi, gogi.
One pair that was like,
Take all that.
What's the situation right now?
I'm pissed off.
Okay?
I bowled bad,
All right?
but I got to minus 41.
Okay?
I'm in 68
All right.
with 1 squad to go.
Yeah?
There are at least 12 live numbers tonight that I am within 50 of.
And you're numerically only about 10 out.
I'm numerically 11 behind 64. And I missed a 316 in the 9th on a double.
How many spares did you miss on the block?
4?
That's a lot.
Yep, it's not a little.
Chris Vai for president. Any words for the people?
I love you. Please vote for me. Don't vote for me. Actually, I don't want to be president.
Practice your spares, people. Just do it. Practice your spares.
We came back. Mikey's got a bet to pay up.
Yeah, so go order.
You want to explain the bet?
No, go order.
All right, I gotta order real quick.
Or not.
Worked hard for this.
Had a red bean?
You didn't even know about it.
I didn't.
All right, so let me break this bet down for you. Our boy Casey right here, the guy we just pictured. We set a line for him for the Masters, what he was gonna finish at overall, and that line was minus 357.5. Mikey took the under, so naturally I take the over. Initially, the number was 292, and I was averaging about 180. So that's pretty, this is his first PBA event, by the way. First national PBA event. So after we bowled the first block, we adjusted the number because we thought they were impossible. So we were like, there's no way he's going less than 300 under, or more than 300 under. I don't know how I look at it, but anyways, crushed that number. But me and Mikey bet Bowen, no matter what we bet. So crushed that number, and then we took another guy. And Mikey picked the other guy versus Casey. Casey beat the guy by 100, so that's 2 milk teas for me. And since he did all the work, I'm sharing it with him. Nice job, Casey.
Very appreciative.
Bang.
You guys better be subscribing. I want to see 15K by the end of US
April?
Open.
Oh, by the end of the, you what? Last 3,000 subs in the next week. That's a lot.
Hit
That's a lot to ask for, brother.
subscribe button.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
What do you know? I'm in Reno, and I also couldn't get something that I wanted.
Like, it just gets gouged here. Thank you. Boom. Victory, Boba.
0,
Thanks.
please come to the counter.
What the hell did you order?
Appreciate it,
0,
fam.
please come to the counter.
Rate your first Masters experience out of 10.
It was experience of a lifetime, honestly.
Of a lifetime.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, because like you grew up watching all these guys that are bowling on TV every week, and you get to compete with them. And Mitch was nice enough to talk to me a little bit between.
Probably because
shots,
you guys
so-
had matching hair.
So there's nothing wrong with wavy hair.
If you could have done anything different, what would you do different next time?
Well, I never got left at 15, so I didn't have that fucking mentality of just doing it. So I would have tried moving left with reactive if I could. I'm not gonna lie, I was scared the first day. I was bowling really scared, and my score kind of resulted in that.
Yeah, that was the highest scoring squad out of all of them, too.
It wasn't pretty.
Stone cold China squad.
It wasn't.
We were
pretty.
actually getting upset watching.
Really?
Yeah. Saw that 6-bag you threw to shoot 190. I was mind blown.
Oh my god, I was so hyped. I was like, let's go!
I threw one.
That was the best 190 of my life.
I threw one 5-bagger all week, and it was this last game, game 15. And I watched him throw everywhere for back 6. I was like, that is not the same pattern we bowled.
No. He would miss he'd miss 5 in, and it'd just go
That was
frozen.
that game.
He would go
Yeah, I know,
frozen
we were
rope,
watching.
frozen rope, boom, high
Get one to
flush,
like
10
4
back.
and it just bangs up. I'm like, what are they bowling on? I think I hit the pocket 4 times that day, and this guy started everywhere and got a 6-bagger.
Sounds like you had a fun time.
It was a really fun time. I'll definitely be bowling again. So
Bowling full time when?
not full time. I don't know about
Ever?
full-time. I don't know about full time.
Boo.
That's still on the fence.
Let us know in the comments if you guys think that Casey should go on tour full time.
Got a lot of work.
I'm going on tour for El Dorado Casino.
All right, that's gonna conclude the vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.